Good morning, ma'am. Good evening. And I am Aaron Christian from BS Cream 37. Today I'll be reciting the Philippine scale of penalties and their duration of penalties. First is death, suspended by RA number 9346. Next is yung reclusion perpetua, 20 years, 1 day to 40 years. Next is reclusion temporal, 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Next is correctional penalties. Prison correctional is 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Next is disgero, which is 6 months and 1 day to 6 years ulit. Next is arresto mayor, 30 days and 1 day to 6 months. Next naman is yung light penalties, arresto mayor, which is 1 day to 30 days. Next is yung bond to keep the peace, is duty of the court to lay down. That's all po.